Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export source code files from Lovable Dev. So open up your Lovable Dev and log into your account and open up your project. So once you have opened up your project here, so for example this one here, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little GitHub icon here, which is on your top right, to connect this to your GitHub account. So if you click on it and click on connect account. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you can simply sign up using your Google credentials. Click on the connect project option here, and then here click on add organization, and then now choose your GitHub account. So you might need to log in using your GitHub account. So if you have not provided earlier, so you just have to provide the access and installation. Click on whether you want to select all the repositories. I will just select all, or you can just select a particular one and hit on install it, and then provide your credential, the password for your GitHub account. Just provide that and click on confirm, and that's my GitHub account. Click on connect and hit on connect again, and this will now connect to my GitHub account. So once it's been connected, there you go, it's been connected now. Next, what we're going to do is click on view and open up the project in GitHub. So we're going to open up the Lovable project in GitHub here. So once you have opened it up here, click on the project's name, which is like on your top left here. So that's the project name. Click on it, and then here, once you click on it, you'll get to this screen here, as you can see, and then you'll see there is a code option here in green. Simply click on the little arrow there, and then you'll see there's an option called download as zip. Simply click on it to export the source code files as a zip file, and that's how you do it.